Turn 4 start. Here we go. Here comes our green flag. Green flag is out. It's like 14 on the inside, lower. Here comes 2. Neck and neck, 14 and 2 making the pass on the outside. A little bit of metal there, a little bit of sheet metal. There we go, 14-2 and 23 for second and third. 14 making his way up from the outside. 14 and 2 having a pretty hot race at the front there. 2, 14 and 23 leading the pack. 14 pulling in the rear, 57. 7J and 6 leading up in the back. Comes 2, coming around turn 4. Coming up the main straightaway. Here comes 14 and 23. 14, 57J. Here comes 13J. $2K getting quite the lead, pulling away from 14T, 23 in third. It's like number 6 there on turn 2, slowing it down. Here comes 2K up the back stretch, 14, 23. This 14T. Two is coming up the rear, fixing to lap car 6. We have a little bit of metal there on turn 4, 14. 2 is leading the pack still. White flag's out. Comes 2, passing 7J. Not quite. Checkered flag's out. It's going to be 2, 14, and 14. I believe that was 14T for second place. So number 2 is first place, 14T second place, and number 14 in third. Here we go, coming around fourth on the green. Here's the green. '77 taking the lead there. 77. 77K. That's Bryson. 77K, 10 and 29 leading the pack. They come around turn 4, 77. Looks like 10G trying to pull up the... And 29 for a pass on 87. 87 coming up the inside, taking back position. It's like 77, 10G, 87, 29, 62, 45, and 15 on the rear. $77K taking the outside. 10G following up still. 87 in third. Tight race between 77K and 10G. Yellow in turn 2. We have 45. He's out. Coming up to turn 4, we're going green. Here we go, guys. And they're off. 77K and 10G still in the lead. 87 in third. Looks like 87 trying to make a move on 10G. Comes to the inside. Doesn't quite pull it off. Coming up the straightaway, 77K in the lead. 10G still second and 87 on the third. 62 following up. White flags out. 77K still running the first. 10G in second and 87 still in third. 62 is coming in fourth. Still following. We got 77K and 10G still racing it out there. Hitting turn 3. Turn 4. Here's our checkered flag. Checkered flag's coming in. Looks like 77K and 10G and 87 will be following up in third. 62 makes 4. Here we go. They're coming around turn 4. Here comes our green flag. Green flag's going. 22, 14L, and 22R. 57 on the inside. Race for position. 22, 21's coming in. That's 22 and 21 first, second. We got 14, 14th and third. 57 still on the inside. We've got turn 2. Turn 2, we've got 14 out. Here we go with the green. Green flag's out. 22 pulling ahead of the 57. 22R coming into the corner. 57 falling back to third. It's like 22, 22R. First and second, 57 trying to come up in the inside. A little bit of sheet metal here. 22, 22R, 57. First, second, third. It's like 20, 21 coming up for fourth. Coming back around 22, 22R, 57, 21, and 14L. 46 leading the rear. .22, 22R, 57, and 21 are battling it out. It's like 21's coming up the middle, or the inside, I'm sorry. Now we have 22, 22R, and 21 coming up the stretch on the third corner. Coming up the fourth. 57 still in fourth. 14 on the infield. 0 on the infield. 21, 22, and 22R. First, second, and third. 57 coming up the rear. Lap 4. .21 with a lead. 22 in second. 22R in third. 57 in fourth. Lap 5. .21 with a good lead. .21C with a good lead. 22, 22R, and 57. Lap 6. 21C Matt Collins still leading. 22K Kevin Wasserman. And 22R Matthew Rowe for second and third. 57 Mark Norwood in fourth. Checkered flag.